Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the highest quality source image you can. Use a square canvas, 1024 x 1024 or 2048 x 2048, so Roblox doesn't resample unevenly. Once done, export as a PNG or high-quality JPEG with minimal compression to preserve edges and contrast. Make sure the important art fills the canvas. You'll lose detail if the subject is tiny. You're not tinkering with settings yet. You are now upload that master image to Roblox as a decal and copy its asset ID. Instead of using a plain decal object, place a surface GUI on the part face and add an image label. Paste the image asset ID into the image property. Then set the image label's size to fill the surface GUI and set canvas size to the image pixel dimensions so the engine maps one image pixel per UI pixel. This preserves sharpness compared with automatic decal scaling. Finish by enabling pixel-accurate settings. Turn on Pixel Perfect on the image label and adjust surface GUI studs per pixel scaling to match the part size so the image isn't upscaled. Once done, test and play mode because Studio Preview can hide runtime artifacts. If you still see blur, re-export at a higher resolution or verify canvas size equals your source pixels. Mismatches are the usual culprit. Remember, re-uploading a clearer master image fixes most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.